Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly, and in today's video, you guys, I have all the girls here. We're doing a girls' day of crafting, and we're working on all of these wreaths that I picked up from the thrift store, and I got a whole bunch of stuff to put on here, you guys. So we're just gonna make it a day and enjoy ourselves and put these wreaths together. All right, guys, you ready to get started?
Yeah!
So I'm gonna start off with some ribbon, you guys, and I'm gonna fill in the wreath all around first with my ribbon. That way it adds color and it adds thickness to the ribbon itself. And it's very, very easy. I'm just gonna make some loops, cut them here, and add them to my ribbon. To have the individual loops in place, I'm going to go ahead and use my red ribbon. However, I'm not going to be cutting this ribbon. I'm going to be using the whole length of the ribbon, just going around, and I'm going to be tying it down with my pipe cleaners. You can always go ahead and use the actual branches of the wreath to secure the ribbon as well, but I just chose to do it like this since it is going to be hanged up in the entryway and it's going to be getting a lot of views, so wanted to make sure that everything was nice and secured.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond
So as you guys can see, I left a gap in between the ribbon, and I have future plans for that. You guys are going to see what I'm going to place there. But for right now, I'm going to start using some of the ornaments and decorations that I have and start filling in all the areas around. You guys, my opinion when it comes to Christmas, more is more, and that is always going to be better. I like to have full wreaths. I love to have full Christmas trees, and I like to be extra on all of my wreaths. It doesn't look like much now, you guys, but you're going to see how stunning and beautiful it turns out at the end.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click.
So I'm working on a funky bow. Just wanted to show you guys. Basically, I come here and I dovetail everybody here. I went ahead and did all of these. So right now I have 4 strips of this color, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this one.
Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys.
And I'll go ahead and link a more specific tutorial on how to make this bow. That in itself is a video and it's on its own. So I'm gonna start this one. This is exactly how I got it from the thrift store. Had these little gold things, I took them off. And I'm just gonna start fluffing everything out. Charissa, what are you working with?
Oh, I just stripped it down and had like all these gold.
Had a whole bunch of like gold ornaments and gold things that really don't go so well with what we're working with. We're primarily doing red, green, white, a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver, but not too much.
Not too much.
We
Yeah.
want the red and the green to really be
We're keeping it classy.
exactly traditional.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So I went ahead and added this Santa Claus, which I picked up from the dollar store. And then I added a funky ribbon right here. So turning this old wreath from a thrift store into something new. And I think it's cute. Still gonna add some more to it, but I think it's coming out super duper cute. Well, that's it for this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed and got inspired. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.